Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dish It All Out. Today, we're in Koh Lanta, Thailand at the Sukho Cuisine Thai Cooking School. In this 5-part series, starting with this episode, we're going to take you on a tour of a typical Thai food market, and in the upcoming episodes, we're going to teach you how to make fried shrimp rolls, a traditional pad thai, Penang curry, and last but not least, everyone's favorite dessert here, mango sticky rice. You can find all the episodes to this series in the description below. And you know what? Let's get started. We start the day off at the Sukho Cuisine Thai Cooking School, where we meet professional chef, Chef Pak. Chef Pak is a local Thai chef who will be our guide and instructor in this 5-part series. He is going to explain to us all of the unique Thai ingredients. Like, for example, have you ever had butterfly pea tea? It's actually really nice. The tea is naturally blue, but when you add a little bit of lime to it, it turns into a nice purple. Now let's head over to the Saladin Pier Market.
Welcome to Wednesday Market with Salada. This is the original Thai dessert, appetizer, snack, mixed together. This is Khanom. This is we call Khanom jeeb. Jeeb is mean palm leaf. When the jeeb leaf is brown, that is mean inside cooked. Why did not use banana or something because very thin? It's easy to burn. Ingredients made by sticky rice flour, coconut milk, salt, egg. This we call Khao kriap.
I like that a lot.
So next, fruit chop.
Alright, so we have sweet tamarind. There's a seed in there, I didn't know that.
Right? This is a sweet marine.
It's kind of like a dried mango and a plum put together. That's kind of my... That's a seed.
This way.
Hey Pak, what are the different kinds of mangoes?
This and this different. This is the Barracuda Mango. This we call Khao Khamin. Yeah, this is a sweet because the orange one like this is the old and soft is a Sukho. Like this, still young.
So we're trying a Thai longan, which is kind of like a lychee.
Same family from ginger, but it's not ginger. Basil.
Let's go ahead and pick out some shrimp for the shrimp rolls that we're going to be making on next week's episode. Back home, we're used to frying plantain chips. Here, they do banana chips. Stay tuned to next week's episode when we're gonna head back to the Sukho Cuisine Thai Cooking School and make you some delicious crispy shrimp rolls. You can find our other Thai recipe videos in the descriptions below. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button as it would greatly help us out on our YouTube algorithm. If you want to continue to follow our culinary adventure, please subscribe to the channel as we're going to be posting videos on here weekly. And as always, dish it all out in the comments as we really want to hear from you. Let us know what recipes you'd like us to cover and what you need help with in the kitchen. So, see you on the next one.